Hello, today I will introduce the DTG printer and combine with our AI function. And for this screen, this AI is developed by our factory. We have our software department, and you can click here to see we have the different kind of the model of the AI. And now we can choose one of these, and then we can print it on the clothes, like this one, and print. Yeah. And then click AI. And then we can just waiting about 30 seconds, then it will generate a new picture. 变得好不好看？ Wow, yeah. So you can see it's totally very just similar like me, right? So this is the AI designed by Refinecolor, and now we can print the print. And also for this, we can close to see we can print in the different items like the coin, and also we can print in the golf ball, and for now we can print in the T-shirt. Also we can print in the badge, and yeah, like this, and the puzzle. We all can print at the same time. So, but for now we only printing the clothes, and click, and yeah, and you can see the different. And we can choose the size of the printing size and click the print. It will transform to the computer. And you can see this is just the picture that we print, and we can just image, okay, print, and click print. Before we have put the clothes on here, and when the printer receives the order, then it will print automatically. And later I can open this to show you the detail. Okay, so for now this machine is printing it's printing. You can see for this we have the white and colored ink. For the DTG printer, it will be suitable for the materials which include more than 20% cartoon, because it will suck the ink more better. Yeah. And you can see the color is very vivid. So for the DTG printer, is printing the garment ink directly on the clothes, and later we will use the heat press machine to drop the ink. And you can see this is our control partner. We have the, you can see this is the clothes that it can protect the printer hand. Also we have the cleaning function of this, so we don't need to clean the printer hand by our hand. You can just click the button. It's very easy and very convenient for new users. And this is the control to control the platform. And this is our ink. We have the different color, the CMYK and the white. And for the white ink, we have the stirring system that can avoid the white ink to sediment. Yeah, and for now you can see this picture is already to finish the print. Yeah, I like it very much. And the printing size of our DTG printer is the 29 by 39 centimeters. Okay, so for now this picture is finished the printing. So yeah, it's the same, right? Me and my clothes. Yeah, so this is just the customized for me, and this is the unique clothes in this world. Okay, so I like it very much. It's very nice. Okay, so last step is that we put the clothes on the heat press machine and use this to protect the, yeah, and to heat press. So we need to wait about 20 seconds just to drop the ink of the clothes. Okay, so for now it's finished, and you can see it's very comfortable. It's comfortable for the material. You can see the detail is very comfortable and breeze the color. So very nice picture and very nice printing effect. Okay.